Hey guys, it's Camille from Stylish Living, and today I am going to talk about how to get to sleep. I mean, with school coming up and some of us have school and some of us have work, we need to get some good rest. And I'm not saying we didn't get good rest in the summertime, but let's just face it, we got good rest, because we were able to sleep in after we partied all night, but now it's time to get serious. So if you want to learn how to get good sleep, keep watching. Oh my gosh, you guys, this tea is so great. It's my favorite chai tea. Anywho, with that being said, tea is part of it, but I have 5 steps to getting good sleep, good rest if you're a busy gal or if you're a busy boy. All right, so my first step is, your mother always told you this, you've heard it from the family, clean your room. Okay, how are you going to get good rest if your room is in shambles? Okay, so to get yourself ready for back to school, back to work, get yourself ready for the day, you need a room that is clean and straight and well put together. When your space is messy, your mind is messy. Now, after your room is nice, clean, and tidy, the next thing you want to do, step number 2, is make sure you have the proper pillow. I cannot tell you how important it is to have a pillow that's got your back. It's got your back, it's got your head, it's got your neck. And what I mean by that is you want a really good back alignment, neck alignment. And a good way to start with that, obviously, is to have a good mattress. But the pillow is so important. I woke up all through the night, and I mean, I'm telling you, my back was hurting, my shoulders, back of my neck was hurting. It kept me up all night, and that means no good sleep. So you have to have a good pillow. There are 3 kinds of pillows that I recommend. The first one is like a Tempur-Pedic pillow. It's kind of firm and firm to the touch, and it kind of keeps a memory of the shape of your neck, the back of your neck, and the back of your head. So the Tempur-Pedic firm pillows, those are awesome with the memory foam. The second type of pillow that I recommend would be, for some of you that like something in between the Tempur-Pedic and something really soft, would be it's called a 3-core pillow, and it basically has like a cutout where your head goes, but each side of the pillow has a different width for the neck. So if you have a big neck, a long neck, or you're a guy, whoever you are, you can use one side to support the neck, and obviously there's kind of like a square or a triangle in the middle that kind of holds and cradles the head in place. For those of you with a shorter neck, a small neck, you can flip the pillow around and you can use the smaller side to support your neck and your head as well. So the 3-core pillow is really good for that. It comes in like gentle, firm, and it comes also in the standard as well, I believe. The third pillow is my favorite pillow, and it's called the pancake pillow. I got it off of Amazon. Oh my gosh, you guys. Okay, so picture this. It's a pillow cover, and basically what you do is they give you 6 tiny flat pillows, maybe about that thick, maybe about 2.5 inches in height, and they're very soft. It's very, very soft pillow. So you gotta like a soft pillow. Basically, you just kind of build them in to the pillow cover until you get the height pillow that you are comfortable with. And I put like maybe 4 layers in, and that was the pillow height that I was comfortable with. I woke up, my neck felt great. I kept joking around with my husband. I was like, I need a gentle, soft pillow. And if I can't get that, I need something like a prison pillow. And what I mean by that, I need a government issued pillow. Something cheap. Sorry, government, but it is what it is. A government issue pillow, something, you know, that's old fashioned, that barely has much stuffing in it, something that's pretty flat. And so if you guys can remember those old fashioned pillows, or some of you might remember some of those government issue pillows, unfortunately, they are striped and they're real thin. They're maybe about that thin compared to a regular pillow that people would use. But that's the kind of thing that I'm comfortable with. I need that kind of pillow if it's not going to be super soft. So once I put about 4 layers in that pancake pillow, I was perfect, good as gold. So you need a good pillow. That's number 2. Number 3 goes along with setting the mood, okay? And so what you're going to do for number 3 is you're going to have some good aromas going on throughout the room. You need a diffuser with essential oils. You do not want artificial oils. You want essential oils. I was about to say essential, but whatever. Essential oils, okay? And so this diffuser, you want to make sure that it is just really letting go some of those beautiful, wonderful sleepy time scents. And what I mean by sleepy time scents is, I mean, you want lavender essential oil. That's one of my favorites. I can really get rocked to sleep with that. Or my favorite new blend that I discovered, rosemary with maybe a couple of drops of peppermint. I seem to get the best sleep with that formula as well. And so you want to have a good formula. You want to have a good aroma being diffused throughout the bedroom. All right, so you have set your mood. Your room is clean. You have a wonderful, comfortable pillow. Hopefully you like your mattress. And then you have beautiful aromas. And if you can get that diffuser that also has like the changing of the lights, where the lights change, so you can have a little mood lighting as well, go ahead and click that on. But I know for me, like my diffuser, it has like a little red button already that's a slight little glow, and I don't even turn on the different light colors because I wake up if there's light in the room. So with that little teeny bit of that red light coming from the on switch, that's perfect for me. It sets the mood, it sets the tone for good sleep. So those are your first 3. The 4th step to getting good rest is pouring yourself some tea and just resetting, slowing down your brain, getting ready for some rest. And so getting some nice herbal tea kind of gets you all warmed up inside and helps you to kind of reset and relax. Step number 5 to getting good rest is to have a good nighttime routine. I know a lot of people talk about an evening routine, and they have that, you know, when you get off of work, you go to the gym, you make your food, you have dinner, you watch a show with your husband or your boyfriend or your partner, whoever, and then you kind of wind down that way. But you also need a good nighttime routine to get your body and your mind ready for rest. And what I like to do is a lot of self-care as part of my nighttime routine. And self-care can just be me having the tea right along with maybe taking a good bath. I do recommend taking a bath at night. It just really warms up the body, kind of helps you slow down and relax a little bit. You can even read a book in the bath. Sometimes it's good to read a book after the bath. All of this is self-care for your body, for your brain. Now, of course, you can't do any of these things if you are on social media, on your phone. So self-care and a nighttime routine does not include social media. So you need to unplug from all your electronics and get into a good book, get into a good bath, do some self-care, do that mask on your face you always wanted to put on but you haven't had time for. These are the kind of self-care things you want to do at night to take care of yourself and just to slow things down and get your body ready for rest. Research shows that if you are engaged in Instagram, you're watching TV series, especially binge watching, okay, or you're watching movies, or you are just on the computer, all of that keeps you going, and keeps your brain going, and it's almost like you don't get a chance to shut off. We need to shut off, we need to slow down if we want to get some rest. So those are my 5 steps to getting rest. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. But you know what also about this time right now I wanted to share with you? I finally made over 100 subscribers and I'm super excited. Guys, thank you so much for subscribing. I hope my videos add a lot of value to your lives. I hope my videos help you get some routines, get some plans for yourself, develop your style even more. I mean, I'm just trying to really just get out there and do it, and I want you to come along with me. Thank you so much for subscribing. If you haven't subscribed already, please subscribe. Please leave me a comment down below. Let me know how you get some rest. Give me some tips and tricks because I can use some extra tips as well, okay? Like this video, and I'll see you guys next time. Thank you so much. Bye.